Unpacking Lisa Pro. In this video, you will learn how to unpack Lisa Pro after the delivery and set it up. The standard Lisa Pro set is shipped on a single EUR pallet and protected with a stretch foil. Before unpacking, find a courier pocket with the list of all elements included in the consignment. Take it out and check if it matches your order. Now, remove the stretch foil. Pull the foil slightly near the EUR pallet and cut from the bottom up. The easiest way is to cut it on two opposite sides of the package. Raise the stretch foil gently and remove it. Your package is protected with a baler strapping tape which is strained. While cutting, it will rebound with a great force, so double check that no one is standing at the opposite side of the package. Hold the tape in one hand and cut it with scissors above it. When you finish cutting the tape, remove all of the cardboard edge guards. Every box has a label for you to know what is inside. In the standard Lisa Pro set, you will find Lisa Pro printer, Sinterit powder sieve, a spare metal container for Sinterit sieve, Sinterit sandblaster, 2 boxes with accessories, and a box or a few boxes of powder depending on your order. Remove all of the boxes from the EUR pallet. The last element is your Lisa Pro SLS 3D printer, protected in a flight case and additional baler strapping tape. Cut the tape above the handles. Now, look for your courier pocket attached to the flight case. Inside, you will find Quick Start Manual. Follow it step by step. To pull the printer out of the flight case, unlock all 4 locks on the lower part of the flight case cover. There are 2 locks on the front and 2 more on the back of it. Pay attention to the blue and red stickers on the bottom of the flight case, which are important while packaging Lisa Pro to the flight case in the future. Now you will need another person to help you out. Grab the handles and lift the flight case cover evenly to a height of a minimum 1 meter. Now, remove all foils from the outside of the printer. Remember to register your printer at sinterit.com/register. Find the printer holders. There are 2 on the front and 2 more on the back of the Lisa Pro. With the help of another person, grab the printer holders and carefully lift it up and place it on a stable surface. Ensure that the printer is placed in a location where its size and weight will be properly supported. We recommend that the bottom of the printer should be placed no higher than 40 centimeters from the level of the floor. Now it is time to install the removable front panel. You will find it under the lid of a flight case. Unlock the locks of the flight case's lid. Lift the flight case lid and then lift up the panel. Mount it using the 4 magnetic fasteners at the front. After installing the removable front panel, check that each of the 4 magnetic fasteners is connected by pulling the panel gently towards you. Your Lisa Pro printer is ready to be connected to the power supply. Find accessories box 1 of 2 and open it. Remove the square box with the laser protective glass and look for the little box which contains the ignition key. Pull it out from the accessories box. Now find the power cable. The power socket and the power switch are located on the left side of the printer. Connect the power cable to the printer and then to the power supply. Switch the power from 0 to 1. Check whether the safety button, a red one which is placed on the right side of the printer, is out. If not, rotate the black flange of the button clockwise at a quarter of a turn. Now open the little box you pulled from the accessories box recently. Take the ignition key and place it in the key switch above the safety button. Turn it clockwise at a quarter of a turn. Your Lisa Pro is on. Please wait until the main menu with 4 buttons appears on the screen. It takes up to 20 seconds. To finish the setup, you need to open the lid. To do so, click the Start New Print button, and next, the Unlock Lid button. The magnetic blockade deactivates for 10 seconds. Softly press the lid and then lift it using lid's handle. Inside, you will find information about the calibration and the safety check of your printer. On the card, you will find the name of Sinterit's teammate who checked the printer before shipment. Remove it as well as the bubble wrap. The laser and heating system are the most crucial in SLS technology. This is why we protect them with additional plastic protection cap. To remove it, hold the heating module by one hand and take out the split pin positioned on the top of the inner part of the lid. Lower the heating module to get access to the place dedicated to laser protective glass. Remove the plastic protection cap of the laser system. Now you can install the laser protective glass. Unscrew 2 knurled nuts from the laser protective glass module. Mount the glass. Slide the metal tabs of the laser protective glass module into the holders located in the middle of the lid. Press the gasket gently. After obtaining the perfect fit, screw the knurled nuts on the visible screws. Join the heating module with the lid using the metal split pin. Close the lid. The setup process is over. To stay updated with our new videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time.